guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 11 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. It's our first formal date. Where will he take me? We'll know about that. Napakaano pa naman niya ngayon. Clean tingnan. Tama? Napaka-formal niya tingnan ngayon sa outfit niya. Okay, we'll see kung saan siya pupunta. Apartment? Parang apartel. Let's go upstairs. Pati siya nasya-shock eh. So, ba't kami pupunta? Before the age of 12, my mom and I live on the 5th floor of this building, and we relied on each other. Ooh. Look forward. So, dyan siya lumaki. This is a brothel. Woo! Really? So, ganun yung mama niya. An illegitimate son siya, diba? When my mother had to work, she asked me to go downstairs and play by myself. Really? So, bagay lalaki din naman kasi siya. So, kung babae siya, mahirap gawin yun. Sometimes, she needed to work for a whole night, and I could only sleep on the bench outside. Ay, kawawa naman. Ganun siya lumaki. Yun yung environment niya. Growing up, it's all the past. You've grown up well. Siya yung first girlfriend. Of course, siya yung first na dadalhin dyan. No, I didn't take you here to get your pity on me. Okay, so why did you bring her there? I just want you to know that I'm not a first-class elite from a wealthy family you imagine. Oh. So may mga deep scars siya. Hindi siya, kaya aloof siya sa karamihan, diba? During may mga events, hindi siya sumasali. Starting the age of 10, I became involved in the gang brawls, living a life of petty theft and mischief. Oh, ganun siya before. And he started at the age of 10. Oh, namatay yung mother niya. At the age of 12, my mother fell ill and passed away. I was left alone in this room. I did anything to survive. 12 years old, namatay yung mother niya. I can't imagine. Bata pa masyado yan. At 14, the Wu family found me and confirmed that I was their illegitimate child. 14, so after 2 years. So 2 years struggling to live. Ganun kahaba at katagal na nagtiis siyang mag-isa. Sneer. My father had long forgotten that he once had a romantic liaison with a young, impoverished girl. So nakalimutan niya yung mother niya. Bakit naalala siya? Bakit nalaman, diba? My mother sent a letter to the Wu family before her death. It was coincidentally discovered by my grandfather that paved the way for my subsequent life. Okay. So, ang tumulong sa kanya talaga is yung grandfather niya. I see. You love your mom very much, right? Well, kahit ganun naman siguro yung trabaho naman, hindi naman siya pinabayaan, di ba? Hindi siya pinalaglaw. Binuhay naman siya. Yeah. She has a bad temper and often cursed me and beat me. Oh. Pero sumulat yung mama mo para sa future mo. Ayaw niyang maiwan ka mag-isa. But I know that she just wanted to make a rise and stop leading such a cheap life. To the Wu family. At least nakasulat pa ng letter yung mama niya before namatay. Now you know what kind of person your boyfriend is. Do you regret it? Wala Para naman sa kanya yan. Kasi system na. Hindi naman siya yung original host. Why should I regret it? I don't care about your past, no matter if it was dark or filthy. What do you care then? Well, you only care about you. Past naman yun eh. I just care if you are happy or not now. O, diba? Past kasi yun. Nasa present na tayo ngayon. Yung sabi na yun, may pahag. And I do care if you are happy with me. Yes. I want you to be happy from now on. Di ba? From now on. Kasi they're starting anew, di ba? Kaya ganun. Di ba? May pahag na ang lola mo. Let's go home. Saan naman sila uuwi? Oh, ba't dalawa yung car? The white one and the black one. Mr. Boo, your grandfather knows that you have a girlfriend. He asked you to have a meal at home with your girlfriend. Lower the head. Oh, meet the grandfather agad? Bilis naman. Okay, papakilala kaya siya agad niya, no? Mr. Boo. Sneaker. He gets the news fast. Fron. Oh, bakit na-fron ka dyan, girl? Ayaw mo o ayaw niya? His grandfather? Will it be a dinner with intention? Rest assured. Oo, baka ayaw sa kanya, no? Gusto yung anak mayaman, ganon. Stroke. Let's go back together. It won't take too long. Alam mo naman yung mga mayayaman, di ba? Gusto nila kapwa mayaman din yung ipapakasal sa mga anak nila, mga apo nila. Masyadong pala desisyon, ganon. Di ba? Mansyon. Siyempre, mayaman, pinakamayaman ang grandfather niya sa Jensen City. And there's a Todd. Galit yarn. Siguradong galit yon. You still know the way home? Buti nga inuwi pa yung girlfriend niya eh. Grandpa, come down. Don't get your blood pressure surge. Kalmado lang siya. Wala siyang pakialam kung galit yung lolo niya. Di ba? Stricto naman ang mukhang niyan. You still remember you have a grandfather? You didn't even ask for my approval before finding a girlfriend. Ay, kailangan may approval? Ganun talaga? With approval talaga, lolo? Sean, come here. Ay, may pinakilalang babae. Grabe, no, kabastos, no? Pinapunta yung girlfriend, tapos nagdala siya ng ibang babae para ipakilala kay Boo. Sakit naman nun kung ganyan. Kung ako siguro, no, insulto masyado sa akin eh. Nakaka-insulto talaga yung ganyan, be. This is Lee Chen Chen, the second daughter of the Lee family. Tapos, pahinhin pa to. If I know, may mga agenda din kayo, kaya gusto nyo makasal sa mga apo ng pinakamayaman sa Jensen City. She has just returned from abroad. She's well-educated, with gentle temperament. She's a great match for you. If you want a girlfriend, I'll introduce you to a girl who matches your background with a pure and simple origin. Ay, may pa ganun. Pure and simple origin? Bakit? Si Chunyan ba hindi? I'll never accept a woman who had a marriage before to be your wife. Ayaw niya ng diborsyada. Napaka-judgmental mo naman, lolo. Grabe ka naman. Nanduduro agad. Ay, naku, lo. Mawawalan ka ng apo kung ganyan ka. Sure ako dyan. So, ganun siya ang pipiliin ni Chuyan. Ay, ni Buyan. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Tignan natin anong gagawin ni Mr. Buyan sa lolo niya. Kung sasagutin niya ba o ipaglalaban niya si Chuyan. And we'll know that on the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.